So something that I wanted to talk about was just um, the concept of really learning to be adaptable and um, being able to not only as a teacher, as a student, as a person, to adapt to what life really throws at you. I think we all kind of got thrown a curveball this semester, but we still reached a lot of our educational goals and we still finished off the semester. So I definitely think that's something to be proud of. I think I also learned a lot in this process, just the importance of me going into teaching and being adaptable when things don't always work out. Even in my lesson plan, things didn't work out the way that I wanted it to, or technology wasn't failing. I think that was like a super valuable lesson that I learned is to just kind of adapt and to just go on. Like you're gonna have to do that as a teacher. You're gonna have to just learn how to adapt to changes. Especially right now with this whole pandemic situation, teachers are having to adapt their ways of giving instruction. And so I think it was really beneficial for us to get this experience in college because if this were to happen again, maybe we'd be a little bit more prepared than teachers who maybe didn't have access to these resources or maybe who didn't have as much education in learning how to use, Zoom and all of those things. So I definitely think that this semester was a great learning experience, great for teaching resiliency and adapting to changes that we have no control over. So yeah, I'm pretty proud of the fact that even though we didn't get to learn in person, we still got to reach a lot of our education goals, and I feel like I learned a lot in this course from beginning to end, and that I was constantly putting in work. So I'm definitely grateful for that, and I think that it's going to make me a better teacher in the long run. So, yeah.